English Bal Bharti Standard 6. Students, we heard so many stories of Akbar and Birbal in our childhood. Today, we are going to learn chapter 1.2, Who's the Greatest, from Unit 1. Who's the greatest? Emperor Akbar or Akbar the Great is known as one of the greatest rulers in the world, not just because he had vast empire, very strong army, untold wealth, but because he was a good human being. He cared for his subjects. He had great respect for scholars, writers, poets, and artists belonging to different religions. He was a patron of art and culture. Emperor Akbar is known as one of the greatest rulers in the world. Moreover, he was also a good human being. He had great respect for scholars, writers, poets, and artists of various religions. The nine gems or Navratnas in his court were famous. Many people believe that of these nine gems, Birbal was the closest to the emperor's heart. Birbal was his favorite among the nine gems or Navratnas in his court. Akbar loved to pose interesting questions or problems in his court, and Birbal never failed to come up with an equally interesting answer. Akbar liked to ask questions to his courtiers, and Birbal was usually the one to come up with witty answers. We don't know whether all the Akbar and Birbal stories that we hear today have any basis in history. They have been handed down over generations mainly by word of mouth. Here are two of them. One day, the emperor entered the court with a very serious expression on his face. As soon as he was seated, he said, I have a question for all of you. What should be the punishment for someone who pulls my mustache? One day, the emperor asked his courtiers in very serious manner as to what should be the punishment extended to the person who pulls his mustache. The court was stunned. Pull the emperor's mustache. It was unheard of. Flog him. Give him 50 lashes of the whip, exclaimed one nobleman. That's not enough. Put him in jail without food and water, said another. Whip him, beat him up, hang him, cut off his offending hands. The agitated courtiers began to cry out. This question surprised some courtiers and left some disturbed. Only Birbal was silent. He was even smiling a little. Only Birbal was witnessing the scene calmly and had a smile playing on his lips. What do you say, Birbal? What is your opinion? In my opinion, O giver of peace to the world, the offender should be given his favorite sweetmeats. Akbar suddenly threw the questions at Birbal, to which he cleverly replied that the offender should be given his favorite sweets. Raja Birbal, are you out of your mind? Give sweetmeats for such a grave offense. The courtiers began to say. The courtiers looked at Birbal with a question mark on their face. Birbal smiled and offered an explanation. Yes, who would be the so bold as to pull the emperor's mustache? Only his own grandson. Birbal explained that it could be only be the emperor's grandson who would have the courage to pull his mustache. When Akbar heard this, he burst out laughing because that is exactly what happened in the morning. Upon hearing this, Emperor Akbar burst out laughing. The exact incident had taken place earlier that day.